Total resistance of two resistances 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. We know that two resistances are connected in parallel. Equivalent distance 1 by R is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So R1 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. 1 by R is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R is equal 1 by R1. What is R1 here? 4 ohm plus 1 by R2 6 ohm. 1 by R total resistance 1 by RT means total resistance is equal. What is LCM here? 4 6 LCM 24. In 24 4 how many times? 6 times. In LCM 24 6 how many times? 4 times. That implies 6 plus 4 is equal 10 by 24. We want total resistance. So 1 by RT is equal 10 by 24. Reciprocal RT is equal 24 by 10. 24 by 10 means 2.4 ohms. So total resistance 4 ohm 6 ohm are connected in parallel. Total resistance is equal 2.4 ohm. Resistances are connected in parallel. Equivalent distance RT is equal R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. In a given problem, R1 is equal 4 ohm, R2 is equal 6 ohm. So what is the equivalent circuit here? R1 R2. Two resistors are connected in parallel. Equivalent distance RT is equal R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What is R1 here? 4 into R2 is 6 by 4 plus 6. R1 is 4, R2 is 6. So RT is equal 4 6 is 24 by 4 plus 6 10. So 24 by 10 is equal to 2.4 ohms. Total resistance 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. Equivalent distance RT means total resistance is equal 2.4 ohm. An expression for total resistance of two resistances R1 and R2 are connected in series and parallel. So what is series? Equivalent distance two resistances are connected in series. R1 R2, these are connected in series. R1 R2. Here R1 and R2 are connected in series. Equivalent distance or total distance is equal R1 plus R2. This is series. Next bit is B bit is the parallel. R1 R2, R1 first and R2 first and connected to common point. R1 second and R2 second and connected to common point. So these R1 R2 are connected in parallel. R1 R2 are connected in parallel. Equivalent distance RT is equal 1 by RT is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Or this can be written as RT is equal R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. An inductive circuit has a resistance of 2 ohm in series with an inductance of 0.015 Henry are connected to supply of 200 volt 50 Hz. Calculate inductive reactance, impedance, current, power factor and power consumed in the circuit. So what is given here? Resistance R is equal to ohm. Inductance is represented by L is equal 0.015 Henry applied voltage V is equal 200 volt. Here frequency F is equal 50 hertz. What are unknown here? Inductive reactance XL, impedance is represented by Z, and current I, power factor, and loss bit is the power consumed in the circuit. These are the unknown. Circuit can be drawn as resistance, inductance connected across AC source 200 volt. Here R is 2 ohm, inductance 0.015 Henry. Inductive reactance is represented by XL is equal 2 pi FL. Inductive reactance XL is equal 2 pi. What is F here? Frequency. What is F here? Frequency 50. L is 0.015. That implies XL 4.71 ohms. Next to impedance Z is equal. Impedance is represented by Z is equal square root of R square plus X square L. That implies Z is equal, what is R here? 2 square plus 4.71 square. So Z is equal 2 square plus 4.71 square. 2 square plus 4.71 square. This is in under root. So what is the value? 5.11. Z, what is the impedance here? 5.11 ohms. Next, another bit is the current. Current I is equal, in AC circuit, I is equal V by Z. What is V here? V means supply voltage. V 200 by, what is Z here? 5.11. That implies 200 by 5.11. 200 by 5.11. What is the value? 39.13. Current I is equal 39.13. Current is measured in amperes. I is equal 39.13 amps. Next, power factor, cos phi is equal R by Z. What is R here? 2 by, what is Z? Z means impedance 5.11. That is equal 0.391. In inductance, current is lagging. Next, last bit, power consumed in the circuit. P is equal I square R. What is I here? 39.13 square into R. What is R here? 2. So power consumed in the circuit, P is equal 3052. Power is measured in watts. Please subscribe me and follow.